We're done the first month of 2023, so let's see what happened. Sean Ryan here from Blue Coast Realty, and let's check out January 2023 housing market update. In January, there were 560 active listings, 86 sales, $41.6 million in volume, and 6 months of inventory. And the average sale price was $475,000. It took homes an average of 38 days to sell. In January 2022, there were 311 active listings, 81 sales, $38.5 million in sales volumes, and 4 months of inventory. And the average sale price was $513,000. It also took homes a lot less average days to sell. There were 23 sales from that $0 to $200,000, which is more than double the average homes in the range we've had for the past 2 years. There were also 29 sales in that $200,000 to $400,000 range, which is great. So we're starting to see some inventory there under $400,000. And then there's 29 sales in that $400,000 to $600,000 price range. And then 21 sales, $600,000 to $1 million price range. That's also going to include a lot of the new home sales now as well. And 0 sales above $1 million. And a lot of that is because the new homes have come down in price a little bit. Now we're going to break into individual areas of Sarnia-Lambton. So Sarnia North End, we saw 41 active listings, 21 sold, and 10 conditionals, and the average sale price was $530,000. And we're using the highway to divide that. In Sarnia South End, we had 60 active listings, 29 sell, and 9 conditional offers, and the average sale price was $380,000. Now in Brights Grove, we saw 7 active listings, 2 sell, and 1 conditionally sell, and the average sale price was $660,000. In Forest, there were 12 active listings, 6 sold, and the average sale price was $600,000. A lot of new homes in the Forest area as well in that price range. Now, in Wyoming, we had 34 active listings, 5 sell, 1 conditionally sold, and the average sale price was $605,000. Petroria, there was 10 active listings and 1 home sold for $450,000. In Corunna, we saw 12 active listings, 5 sell, and 2 conditionally sell, and the average sale price was $530,000. In St. Clair Township, we've taken Corunna out of that now. We've excluded Corunna. We had 27 active listings, 5 home sell, and 2 conditionally sell, and the average sale price was $550,000. So what are we seeing right now with the Sarnia-Lambton real estate market in a whole? We're starting to see some really good traction. We're starting to see things really pick up. Like if you notice the number of sales in January 2023 that just had compared to 2022, weren't that off from each other for the amount of sales we had. We just recently had an interest rate hike. It was only 1/4 point. They haven't had that little of an increase since they started first doing increases back in March. So we are really now seeing a strong position to have a really busy spring market. I'm seeing houses have been in multiple offers recently as well. So the big thing I'd say to a lot of people right now is, get those pre-approvals done, get into the market if that's something you're thinking about doing. Try to ignore all the noise you're hearing in the media because it's all conflicting, the stories we're hearing right now. And I think Sarnia-Lambton in a whole is really well sheltered and protected compared to a lot of other places in the country. And our average sale price is still quite low. It's still quite affordable here. We still have a great family income. Thanks for watching. Remember to put Sean on your lawn and welcome home to the Blue Coast.